Best PC cases. Are you looking for the best PC cases? In this video we will look at some of the best PC cases on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. NZXT H7 Flow. When evaluating a PC case, two quantitative factors matter most: how efficiently it moves air through the chassis and how effectively it keeps system noise under control. NZXT's newest mid-tower, the H7 Flow, is built around that first priority airflow, but its strengths go far beyond ventilation alone. The case features striking perforated panels that not only enhance cooling but also give it a modern, premium appearance. Its build quality is excellent, with precise fit and finish, and NZXT includes 3 high-performing intake fans right out of the box. Despite these strong features, the case maintains an appealing MSRP of $129.99. Fully assembled, the H7 Flow looks clean and professional, and in thermal testing it delivers standout cooling performance worthy of high praise. For anyone shopping for a top-tier mid-tower in 2024, this refreshed version of NZXT's already impressive H7 Flow represents great value. Cable routing channels and ample hiding spots make it easy to assemble a tidy-looking build, even without much experience. The case also supports extensive liquid cooling options, making it a strong choice for builders planning to install large radiators. The H7 Flow supports ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ATX motherboards and includes two 3.5-inch and two 2.5-inch internal drive bays. Front I/O consists of dual USB-A ports, a USB-C port, and HD audio. A tempered glass side panel showcases your components, while 7 expansion slots and 7 fan mounting positions offer flexibility. With room for GPUs up to 410mm long, CPU coolers up to 185mm tall, and PSUs up to 270mm, the case is ready for powerful modern hardware. It measures 21.4 by 9.6 by 18.75 inches and weighs 24.3 pounds. Number 2. Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack. Some PC cases feel like simple shells for your components, but the Qube 500 turns the case itself into a hands-on project. Its design embraces a build-it-yourself approach, giving you an experience similar to assembling furniture, only this time, the reward is a fully functional compact PC chassis. Available in several fun colors, the Qube 500 has a playful, modern aesthetic that stands out on any desk. Despite its compact footprint, it's impressively versatile, supporting full-size ATX motherboards and standard ATX power supplies. For the price, it offers strong value while doubling as an enjoyable DIY activity. The Qube 500's modular assembly style makes it appealing for budget-minded builders and anyone who enjoys putting things together step by step. It can even become a memorable family project, since each panel and bracket fits together in a simple, satisfying way. Once everything is assembled, you're left with a capable and attractive case featuring swappable front panels, allowing you to refresh the look whenever you want without replacing the whole chassis. In terms of hardware support, the Qube 500 accommodates ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ATX motherboards. It includes 4 internal 3.5-inch drive bays and 3 2.5-inch bays, giving you plenty of storage options. The front I/O panel provides USB-C, 2 USB-A ports, and HD audio. A tempered glass side window showcases your components, while 7 expansion slots and 3 fan mounting positions offer decent flexibility. It supports GPUs up to 368mm long, CPU coolers up to 175mm tall, and power supplies up to 215mm. The chassis measures 16.4 by 9.1 by 16 inches and weighs 17 pounds. Number 3. InWin A3. People often use the phrase punching above your weight class to describe someone performing far better than expected, but that idea also fits certain PC cases. The InWin A3 is a great example. Although it's only slightly larger than the typical Micro ATX chassis, that extra bit of size allows it to deliver noticeably better performance and flexibility. Combined with InWin's stylish, modern design language, the A3 stands out as a strong option for compact PC fans who want small form factors without big sacrifices. Micro ATX often sits in an awkward middle ground, overlooked by serious builders who either go full ATX or ultra-small mini ATX. However, micro ATX motherboards frequently offer the best balance of features and price. The A3 takes advantage of that sweet spot, giving builders room to work while maintaining a space-efficient footprint. For performance-focused users with limited desk or floor space, this case provides impressive airflow and thermal performance relative to its size. The A3 supports micro ATX and mini ATX boards and includes two internal 3.5-inch drive bays and three 2.5-inch bays, making storage expansion easy. The front I/O panel offers HD audio, a high-speed USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 Type-C port, and two USB-A ports. A tempered glass side panel shows off your components, while 4 PCI expansion slots and 5 fan mounting locations add flexibility. The case includes one addressable RGB fan for visual flair. Hardware support accommodates GPUs up to 340mm, CPU coolers up to 162mm, and ATX power supplies up to 200mm. The chassis measures 13.63 by 8.47 by 15.75 inches and weighs 11.6 pounds. Number 4. Thermaltake View 270TG ARGB Matcha Green. This green PC case might help you save some green, too. The View 270RG ARGB delivers a collection of features normally found on higher-priced models, yet it stays comfortably under the $100 mark. With USB Type-C support, wraparound tempered glass, 3 included ARGB fans, and dust filters at every fan mount, the case offers an impressive value that's hard to beat at this price. It even earned our Editor's Choice Award for its standout price-to-performance ratio. The vivid green color on our test unit also helps it stand out. Good luck finding a more stylish green chassis from any other brand. If green isn't your thing, the case also comes in white and a bold hydrangea blue. The View 270TG can easily be considered a green giant. It's an excellent pick for gaming PC builders who want strong value without sacrificing looks or function. Despite its budget-friendly cost, the case feels and performs like a more expensive ATX tower, giving you room in your budget to invest in better components. Hardware support is generous. The case accommodates the ATX, ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ATX motherboards. It includes two 3.5-inch and two 2.5-inch internal drive bays, alongside a front I/O panel with USB-C, two USB-A ports, and HD audio. A tempered glass side panel showcases your build, while 7 expansion slots and 6 fan mounting spots provide plenty of flexibility. You get 3 ARGB fans included. Maximum GPU length is 428mm, CPU cooler height is 180mm, and PSU length is 280mm. The chassis measures 18.02 by 9.07 by 17.9 inches and weighs 14 pounds. Number 5. Lian Li DAN A3-mATX. Lian Li's DAN A3-mATX is the result of a fresh design collaboration with DAN Cases, a respected German brand known for its high-quality compact chassis. While the A3-mATX isn't small enough to be considered a true compact case, it remains far from bulky and offers an impressive amount of hardware support for its footprint. With its clean layout, sturdy construction, and well-thought-out internal design, the case delivers excellent value for the price. It strikes a just right balance, large enough for flexible building, yet small enough to fit comfortably on most desks, which helped it earn an Editor's Choice Award. The DAN A3-mATX shines for users building a practical, everyday system rather than an extreme liquid-cooled rig with an oversized GPU. Because the case lacks extensive cable management features, it works best when paired with Lian Li's solid side panel, creating a build focused on performance over showmanship. Still, the value here is undeniable. Few micro ATX cases in this price bracket offer the same blend of flexibility, compatibility, and build quality. Lian Li and DAN deliver a thoughtful, budget-friendly option that suits a wide range of general-use PCs. The case supports Micro ATX and Mini ATX motherboards and includes one 3.5-inch drive bay plus 3 2.5-inch bays. The front panel provides USB-C, 2 USB-A ports, and HD audio. It features 4 PCI expansion slots and 4 fan mounting positions. GPU clearance reaches 425mm, while CPU coolers up to 165mm and PSUs up to 270mm, ATX, SFX, and SFXL, are supported. Measuring 12.66 by 7.64 by 17.8 inches and weighing 10.8 pounds, the A3-mATX remains compact yet highly capable.